Complex industrial platforms that conform to the nowadays approach, namely Industry 4.0 paradigm, face different challenges. These challenges must be approached using intelligent technologies in order to decrease production costs and increase the production quality. One of the most important fields in this direction is the optimization of industrial processes. This includes predictive maintenance, prediction of sensor and machine failure, determination of effective tool lifetime. Considering the emergent complexity of industrial scenarios, the SOON project aims to tackle this challenge by suggesting an innovative solution inspired by human social relations and the hybrid cooperative problem solving. The developed solution is a holistic multi-agent ecosystem which integrates devices related to the industrial Internet of Things, sensors, machines, software agents, and human operators. To prove the multiple potential of our proposal, we approached 3 use cases of 3 industrial partners with different industrial profiles and needs. One example refers to the steel industry. The special rolling process implies expensive spare parts which wear down over time. Our approach facilitates optimal planning and proper multiple usage, which yields significant cost savings and high-quality products. Another scenario implies an industrial plant specialized in high-precision parts production machines. Since records show that unplanned production downtime is relatively frequent. The SOON solution offers the transition to the concept of smart factory, where multiple machine tools cooperate to predict deviations and automatically address them. Additionally, in the case of a plastic recycling production line operating 24/7, monitoring electricity consumption and vibrations of production machines by means of a social multi-agent platform that uses data analytics and artificial intelligence allows the implementation of failure prediction and high-efficiency predictive maintenance. In addition to the solutions previously presented, there were other specific issues which have been addressed. One notable feature is machines and sensors fault detection and prediction. The outcome of the SOON project proves that big data and artificial intelligence implemented through social network agents enhance productivity, quality of products, and make people's lives easier. What we have ultimately learned from this experience is the availability of a vast amount of data that is a valuable resource which we can use to understand what happens beyond human comprehension and how this can positively impact human life.